Welcome friends, check link in the description box. Stay active at home with reliable cardio equipment designed for effective, low-impact workouts. Starting, number 1. Schwinn Fitness IC Cycling Bike. The Schwinn Fitness IC Indoor Cycling Bike series delivers a smooth, quiet indoor cycling experience with a belt drive system, adjustable resistance, and a heavy flywheel for realistic road-like workouts. Select models feature Bluetooth connectivity for apps like JRNY, Peloton, and Zwift, making it an excellent choice for effective home cardio training. Number 2. Sunny Health Machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Upright Elliptical Machine with Pulse Sensor offers a low-impact, full-body cardio workout with smooth magnetic resistance, built-in pulse sensors, and Bluetooth connectivity for the free Sunny Fit app. Its digital display tracks key workout metrics, while the compact, upright design makes it ideal for home gyms with limited space. Number 3. Desk Cycle. The Desk Cycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a compact, quiet exercise bike designed for use at home or in the office while working, reading, or watching TV. It features 8 levels of smooth magnetic resistance, a detachable LCD display that tracks time, distance, RPM, and calories burned, plus standard and adjustable height versions to fit a variety of desks. Its sturdy, low-profile design provides an effective, low-impact workout without disrupting your daily routine. Number 4. Merak Q1S Rowing Machine. The Merak Q1S magnetic rowing machine is a quiet, space-saving indoor rower designed for effective full-body workouts. It features 16 levels of auto-electromagnetic resistance, a dual slide rail for added stability, a 350 pounds weight capacity, and an ergonomic seat for comfortable training. With Bluetooth connectivity, support for the Merak and Kinemap apps, upright storage, and 30-minute assembly, it's an excellent choice for home fitness enthusiasts seeking smooth, low-impact cardio. Number 5. Vinskirab Roller Wheel. The Vinskirab Roller Wheel is a compact yet effective piece of home gym equipment designed to strengthen your abs, core, shoulders, arms, and back. Its 3.2-inch ultra-wide dual-wheel design provides added stability, while the high-strength stainless steel shaft supports up to 440 pounds for safe, durable workouts. The included knee pad enhances comfort, and the lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for full-body strength training at home, the office, or the gym. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.